Justin Barnett, Essco Industries, and I'm the General Manager, lead manufacturer of AdBlue. AdBlue is an emissions control liquid used for diesel engines. Our customer base is predominantly bus and transport companies, and we also do a lot of rural deliveries as well. So we manufacture it in Dandenong at our site here, and this is our little truck that we deliver it with. A lot of the water trucks, they fill from either above, and most of their connections are at the front of the tank. We changed all of that and we put our fill point at the back, and we chose to put it here because if there's ever a small leak from connection, it just drops on the ground rather than the truck. The entire truck, operation-wise, is at the back here for delivering AdBlue into the tank and also delivering at sites as well. We needed specialised fittings and basically everything on the truck. All this is stainless steel or poly, which is a requirement for AdBlue. Everything's doubled up so we can run really high pressures and get our flow rate right up with this setup. We're delivering AdBlue at about 350 litres a minute. Working with STG, we designed where we have all these couplings and things. Having this removable platform as well, we have to do a lot of maintenance on the hoses and clamps and everything, so having the ability to quickly unbolt this, get it off, put the sister platform on, keep going for maintenance is really good as well. The best thing about this truck is the size of it. We can carry quite a lot of volume and still get in and out of the smaller sites. It's a big draw card for us, less filling in and out really quickly. So yeah, it's a great looking truck, and the blue tank sets it off too. The engineering team at STG did a really great job, and it was a quick turnaround. We saw value in the water truck setup. That's why we went with these guys. They've done a lot of work with the composite panel down the side. It's just a really neat looking truck. Yeah. Adam and the engineering team were excellent. Quick turnaround. Adam did a great job managing it all for us as well. Adam's the guy. Just through research and through Google, basically. And then I started following them on Instagram and stuff like that, and I saw a lot of their projects for water trucks and things like that. So at that point I thought, yeah, we'll reach out and see what we can build. Yeah, so pretty happy. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, these trucks are really comfortable to drive. Yeah, on the freeways you can sit at 100 comfortably, even with a full tank. It's a nice little truck, yeah, it's good. Yeah, the whole team at STG were really good from start to finish. The admin guys got all the paperwork done. Yeah, they made it happen. It was good.